Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to copy trades between cTrader accounts. Right now we are here on cTrader and you will see right here the chart of Ethereum to US dollars. What we're going to do is click here on the three lines left in the top, and now we go here to copy. Then right here you will see this screen, and what we're going to do right now is select right here the accounts where you want to trade on and then go back, and then from now you will find there a lot of traders where we can copy their strategy. So right now what we're going to do is let's do the off here right here, and we click right here on start copying. Then right now you see right here the account that we can use. So let's say we want to use this account, and now we fill in the amount that we want to step in with. So let's do something like this, 100k. Then right now you see right here the fees and conditions. So right here he is telling us that the minimum investment needs to be $400 US. The performance fee is 30%, so keep that in mind. Then right now read everything right here. The equity stop loss is $50 US, so also keep that in mind. And now if we click right here on start copying, we are copying this trade. So right now we created ourselves a nice copy trade right here, and this is how you can copy trade between other cTraders accounts. So if you want to do this again, go right here and go back, and then go to one of the cTrader accounts, which are standing right here. You can also search right here for a strategy name if you want to do that. But this is how you can copy trades between other cTrader accounts. If you have any questions about this, please comment them below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.